So this is a 1970 Rupp Roadster. The entire mini bike was completely disassembled. The wheels were polished. The tires were dressed. The front forks were taken apart, cleaned up and re-greased. All the bearings were taken out. New brake cable was put on. New throttle cable. New kill switch was wired in. The plastic cover that covers the torque converter was a little short, so I had to cut the back end off of it. The shocks were disassembled and cleaned and repainted. There was some new foam rubber put under the seat. The tank was cleaned out. Wasn't real bad to begin with, but some rust was removed. New petcock was put in the gas tank. New fuel filter, new fuel line. New points. New condenser. And a different coil. Foot peg rubbers were put on. And didn't do a rebuild or a restoration. Just kind of did a recondition. Starts, runs, drives, stops,